all the way. Thank you, everyone. It's another beautiful day. So I'm just coming back now. Let's on the control. Let's make our life be quite much. One some food. Whose sauce is that one? Yeah? Would you go and keep the sauce? Don't play with it. Okay, my zero not done now. What is it? Come. I let help. Happy, bend it. I think you're not. Put it in water. Bend it. I read. Read. Happy, I'm not after. So let's do the garlic and drink the garlic with it. Hey guys, yeah. So this is 5 now p.m. So after everything, I need to sleep a little. Yeah. So this is me waking up from sleep. So I want to go and see someone. My neighbor just put to bed last week. So they are doing student to do naming ceremony. Yeah. They are doing naming ceremony. So I'm going there now. It's evening, but I don't know. Everybody don't go. I don't like going where there is too much crowd, too much crowd. I don't like going there. So I think by now everyone will reduce and there will not be too much crowd when I meet, when I get there. So that's the main reason why I'm going by this time. Yeah. So let's stay tuned as I take you along. Okay. So guys, I'm on my way going there now. Let me take you guys along. I thought maybe there will be too much crowd later, but I think the crowd is not that much. Yeah. So is there guys there now? Let me see. Even going there myself. I think they are even still going. It's my package and everything. I've been sleeping since later. I just reached there now. So guys, I have go already. I'm going home. Yeah. So the people are not, the crowd is not much. Okay, acha bengenki gayane. Eh? Begize yu oyoyo ba. Sa kuje kawai. Bye bye bye. Every name shall bow down against the Lord is good. Goodness is a mercy, Lord shall follow me. Count your blessings, then them one by one. I will see the goodness, mercy, Lord. I said.